Alright, so the bell ringer today was, what is the booking process? Who can tell me what the booking process is? Devin.
That's the process used to put criminals into the police system.
Okay.
Criminal database.
What falls under that?
Mugshot, fingerprinting, identification.
And?
Crime.
Crime. Correct. Alright, the second question, are fingerprints unique? Jaden?
Yes.
Yes. How?
Because nobody has the same fingerprint.
Alright, nobody has the same fingerprints. Does everybody understand that? Everybody has different fingerprints. Alright, so today for the demonstration lab, we are going to do a fingerprint lab. First, I want you to know, fingerprints are have individual characteristics. Everybody understands that. You have a loop, a whirl, or a radial fingerprint. Okay? So up here it says, a fingerprint is individual characteristics. No two people have the same. The next one, a fingerprint pattern will remain unchanged. So when you are born, you're with your fingerprints. Does anybody understand that? Yes, they do not change. Do people try to alter their fingerprints?
Yes.
Yes. What are some ways they try to alter fingerprints?
Acid.
Burn them, acid, bleach, rub them off. All right. Is that really beneficial?
No.
Because now, are they even more unique?
Yeah.
Yes, because you have scarring. The human body scars. Correct? All right. Next, fingerprints generally have characteristic ridge patterns that allow them to be systematically identified. We have fingerprint analysis to work within our police agencies who that is their job to identify fingerprints. Okay? The three types of fingerprints are arch, loop, and whirl. We are going to learn today the three basic, all right, and then what kind you have at the end of our lab. For our lab, station 1, which is over here by Dinah, you're going to question each other and highlight the areas. As you can see, I have highlighted the identification card. All right, you're going to highlight those areas and put that on this card. Station 2, which is over there by Tava. The highlight areas you're going to fill out. Over there is where you're going to say what crime you committed. All right? So it's up to you. Start thinking about now what crime you want to put on your booking card. Station 3 is over here in the booking section. You're going to have your mugshot taken, all right, with the iPad. Make sure you fill out the identification plaque that you're going to hold for your photos. Station 4 is going to be your fingerprints. We are going to roll our fingerprints. All right, a fellow classmate is going to help you. I'm going to show you how to do it for each group, but then a classmate in your group is going to take over. Does anybody have any questions? Do I need to clarify anything? No. All right, I will leave this up here on the board so you know what you're supposed to do for each station. The way I want the groups divided, we're going to count off 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? So, 1,
2, 2,
2.
4. All right, everybody that was a number 1, go station 1. 2s, station 2, 3s, and so on. Make sure you take your pen with you. All right, move.
Who's 2?
All right, move to your groups. How many are your group? 4? I'm giving you your identification cards.
4's over here.
Here you go.
Ran off on Here you go, sir.
All right. So who wants to go first for 4?
2 for you.
Have experience with
Debbie.
stuff.
You miscounted?
I said once ago. Yeah, I got so used to it.
And Miss Debbie. Where's you want to put the second roll?
On my desk is fine.
On your desk?
You going first?
17.
You should be a pro at this. And then you're going to fingerprint everybody after? Okay. So I want you to clip them. All right. Run it to the edge. Well, you gotta do it on the right side. Thank you. All right, now clip them. The magnets are just to hold it in place. Kind of bend it on the edge. And then here's the fingerprint pad. Other hand. I'll start this way. So as you can see on your pad, you start with the right thumb and go all the way to the pinky. Same with the left. All right. So you take the person and you roll their finger. Roll. Some of you may be comfortable doing this yourself. Good? Okay. You know yours are up there.
What did you do, jaywalking?
Okay, so then when we go to the left hand, we're gonna switch. Come on this side. Move your card up to the edge. Kind of bend it.
Are we doing palm prints?
This way.
Definitely not. No, we're just doing. Supposed to write it.
Oh, sorry. I know it's a little awkward. All right, now take your thumbs straight down. Just tap them on there easy. And then tap them on here. Now do your 4 fingers together and then come at an angle and put it down. Straight up. The same.
Yes, sir.
All right, hand sanitizer, and go wash your hands. All right, and I will do the next person until you get back. Who's next? What? Where's your card? All right. Now, let's move this over here. You have to relax. It's not comfy. Roll with me. All right. If you get behind me, it's a little easier. Yeah, get behind me some. It's a little easier. See?
Oh, you got it.
Look at you. I'm gonna say you're a pro, but I don't know if that's a good thing.
Ready?
Relax.
With my hair,
All right, so the same thing for you. You're gonna take your thumbs, put them together, just put them down, straight down and back up. And then stick them on there. Now do your 4 fingers all the way. Try to get, did you get, you got longer fingers, so now try to get all of it on, not just the pads of your fingers, so all. Straight up. Now do the other side. Your back. All right, very good. Now go get hand sanitizer. Rashawn, it's your turn to take over. I'm gonna go to the next station. Here's your card right here. All right. Okay. So this station back here. On this station, did you fill out all areas? Yes. Okay. Did you put your social? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Yes. Your height, weight. Okay. So you're gonna stay put here until we move to the next station. All right.
Do we have to have the word green in it?
Nope.
No, I mean for the taller ones, you do not.
Usually have silver spots in my
Ready?
Looks like he's sleeping.
Okay.
Do I get you?
Well, you don't have a job, right?
Let me see.
You guys are gonna see mine.
You gotta have your eyes open. Take it again. You gotta have your eyes open. Eyes open. Smile.
I'm just.
Okay.
Alright, is everybody over here finished?
No, I have
No,
not.
not yet? Okay, so finish up yours.
I got public intoxication.
Very good.
What is mine going to be?
Okay, over here. What crimes are we placing down?
I robbed Mr. Pope.
First degree murder. Okay. Domestic
Terrorism and murder.
domestic terrorism.
Murder.
I robbed Mr.
Terrorism. Oh my gosh.
You don't know this person's name. Alright.
At least I was creative.
You want me to go?
No, you're good.
What happens if you kill 40 people? What do you say?
Oh.
You kill a lot of people.
You're a serial killer, but still murder.
You gotta start
Okay, murder.
But how many counts?
Yeah,
5,
man.
6?
40?
I put my
Oh.
employer with Stevie.
How many
No, I didn't do it.
count, so if it's murder, how many counts do we, like on this do we put?
17.
Depends on how many
You
murder.
want.
He's right though, my number was 17 murders.
17 counts.
So put murder and then what?
I just spit a number on it.
We come saying 40, bro.
So, usually going on details.
Charge, domestic murder, terrorism, murder.
names do you guys?
We can do that.
Okay.
You register us with the names off the class.
What?
On there.
No.
Offender?
Alright, are you guys finished? How many more?
Hold on.
No, wait. Are we really?
I know, Alec, you ain't here much of it.
Yes.
Bring it down.
How you got last time?
Ever heard of this? Born for this.
Okay.
Let me roll you.
What'd you do?
Someone actually showed up.
See the difference? You gotta get the whole thing.
I'm bothered.
You know that extra?
I've been here.
Right. I'm gonna try to.
Wait.
Hands are so tiny. Alright, switch sides.
Go to Stevie. Phil's out there.
Roll with me. There we go. I don't wanna hurt you.
You gotta stand up straight.
We should be. It's your house, so. I did.
Hold on, I'm probably about to say I'm so terribly sorry.
I look crazy.
To who's ever person. I'm gonna put it back, bro.
Yeah, I told you. Oh my god. Okay, hold on.
Alright. Thumbs straight down.
You are 5'6".
And then do your 4 fingers together. Like that. And then come at an angle to the side. Alright, now do the other hand.
What was the one I was playing?
What's yours?
Alright, hand sanitizer and go wash your hands.
That's domestic terrorism, 17 counts of murder.
Hey.
Now put your card over here.
Here we have.
One's Fabiana's. Alright, is everybody in all areas finished with your task?
Yes, ma'am, it's yours.
Yes. Alright, rotate. 1's go to 2, 2's go to 3, 3's go to 4. Rotate.
Oh.
Who's gonna take your photo?
I lost my.
No. Oh, is it?
It's yours?
Yes. Yeah, we were cooking.
You guys will be ready to do directly into the
Oh, really? Okay, I'll try.
Is it every finger? Is it every finger?
Yes. Come over here and I'll show you. Go on the
Mine
side.
kind of cute. Look at.
There we go. Alright, so you're gonna stand behind me. And you're gonna, are you gonna be the one in charge over here?
I guess so.
So you roll. Roll. Oh my gosh, you gotta relax. Relax.
Relax.
Relax.
Behind me. Behind me. Alright, you see how this goes? You roll from nail bed to nail bed to get the whole finger.
Why not?
Alright, then you switch the ink pad. If somebody doesn't want you to roll for them, you can let them roll themselves. Some people don't want people touching them.
A lot of people first, you shouldn't be on there. That's the team. The camera.
See, you got
Oh, my
it.
bad. Off the record.
Copy that.
Yeah, see, you just have to roll.
How many times do we have?
Alright, so for the bottom part, hold on. Down here, you're gonna take both your thumbs, push down and come up. Don't push too hard, just get enough ink, and then stick them down.
Right here.
Yes. Alright, and then you're gonna take your forefingers like this, down, up. Come at an angle. Alright, do the same for the other side. Alright, hand sanitizer, and then go wash your hands. Alright, who's next? Yours is right there. You gotta relax. I'll get behind me. You're taller than me. Alright. Roll. Roll. No, roll. It's awkward, I know.
He did it. It's 'cause I need it. So I can be constant.
Alright, switch.
Jesus.
Noah has big hands.
You say aggressive.
He really does. Especially after fingerprint like Fabiana compared to your hand. Oh, you're getting off track. Alright. Okay, so now what I want you to do, thumbs straight down and up. Straight down right there and up. Not too hard, just down up. Okay? Now do the same for your four fingers. Four, put them together so they fit. Push down. Right there. Yep. Push down. Now do your other hand.
Okay, that light is not cute.
Alright, very good. I'm gonna put your card back here. Who's next?
Yes, so big, mama.
Alright. Over here, since you guys are okay.
You wanna get
Since you guys are waiting, what I want you to do. Alright, this will be the closing of your demonstration lab. This is the types of fingerprints, alright? Remember we went over arch, loop, and then your whorls. Alright, I want you to look at your fingerprints. I'm gonna get you a magnifying glass, and I want you to try to identify what type of fingerprint that you have. Alright, I'm gonna grab your magnifying glass and write it on this sheet of paper. Okay? Let me grab the magnifyings. Can I get the magnifying glasses right there, the blue ones, please? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, no one, go ahead, buddy.
Okay, here's your magnifying glass. Try to match your fingerprints to what I had given you. See if you can label. Need a magnifying glass? As many as you can until it's hot enough. Okay? Alright. Yes. You can make up your occupation. Make up an occupation.
And here we have the wild
Alright.
school teacher. Looking irritated with her students.
You gotta go like there.
Well, now you tell me 3 fingers in.
You see?
Anyway, okay, little.
So let's see your first one. This one right here. Alright, so you see, you have, got it.
He looks like a psychopath.
You jamming out, really?
Look right here, you have a tinted. Alright, you see that goes up. So it's a tinted arch. Like
All
this.
fingerprints.
Alright, so then you would just match it.
I got it.
So as you can see right here, you have you can see the whorl, you can see it in there.
Yeah, so you have a world, okay, and it's actually a regular world.
So that one's just you.
Yes, okay, and that would be more like an accidental. Okay? Right. Yes. Yes.
I'm really excited to go to this world.
I think I have a world too.
Which one? Thumb? Yes. You actually have a central pocket world. You see the pocket in the middle? Compare it to your sheet. Okay, so label these. All right, until it's time to move on to the next station. Just label them.
What you wanna do is.
As many as you can until it's time to rotate.
Yeah. And if you start the same roll on, that's like that, it's roll on. Now you do your index.
You guys good? Right over here. Are you filling it out? How many more pictures? Last picture? How many more fingerprints? How many more prints?
She's the last one.
Last one? Okay.
Like kindergarten.
I want all of you to listen up. Listen. Whenever you get to the station, which will be probably your number 1, once you finish completing your information for number 1, I want you to look at these purple sheets that I have given out with a magnifying glass and identify what type of fingerprint you have. All right? That is the closing of this demonstration. Does anybody understand? Do I need to clarify anything? No? Everybody good? All right. Once we are finished, we have one more person in these 2 groups. We'll rotate. All right?